What do you make of the election today, the election results today?
It's the voice of God.
It's the voice of God?
Yes.
Okay, now...
Through the people. When many people talk, it is as if God is talking. Yes. And President Jammeh have to accept the results. That this is the beauty of democracy. In a democracy, you rule, and at the end of the day, people have to account whether you should continue to take charge of their affairs or to change the leadership. And that is exactly what Gambians have done. And everybody, anybody who believes in God today must accept the results. I am happy that it has happened peacefully. Yes.
Now the election process took too much time, so I don't know what was the case. Because we were expecting it around 12 today for it to be announced, but it took more time than we expected. So what's the cause of that?
Well, you know, I'm not the IEC. I was hired as an expert to be on the panel to discuss the results. IEC would have explained why. We were just told to wait, and we had to wait. But even that long waiting, people already knew the results by predicting. There was a trend, and that trend, you know, no way Barrow was going to win. Even if the result was not announced, the rest of it. Yeah.
So what do you expect from Adama Barrow?
We expect him to bring more development. We expect him to work with the youth, to help the youth, because if you want to develop a country like the Gambia, where about 60% of the population are young, you have to invest in youth. And he himself being a young person, I think he will focus on youth development. He will look into education and make it more affordable, you know, to build on where this man stopped and do it in even a better way. Yeah, that is what we expect from him. We also expect him to bring everybody together. You know, the election have been done. The nation is divided on the line of politics, and we expect him to bring people together. Those who were on the other side, let him bring them, and we work for the development of the country. That is what we expect from him.
Okay, thank you very much. What's your name?
Ibrahim Sisi.
Ibrahim Sisi.
Yes.
Thank you very much.